Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I filmed a tutorial on this look right here. I actually tried out a bunch of new makeup in this video. I tried out some from Makeup Revolution, some Maybelline, some LA Girl, and then just like a couple other drugstore products that I really like and I've been using for a while. But I actually really like how it turned out. It's a good like, I'm not gonna say every day because it's definitely like full coverage, but it's definitely like natural looking. I just have like a full coverage foundation and eyelashes, but you can always do it without that. I was just trying out a new foundation. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. All right, so I'm actually not gonna go in with a primer today because I really just wanna see how this foundation wears without one. I'm actually gonna try the Maybelline 24-hour foundation, and I picked up the shade Warm Nude. It's definitely darker than my skin right now though. And just reading the back of the foundation, it says it's a full coverage foundation, up to 24-hour wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested. Cool. So it sounds pretty nice. I'm just gonna put a couple pumps on the back of my hand like that, and then just go right. Oh, oh, girl, girl, that is dark. I'm gonna use my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to buff that out. I'm gonna have to drag this down my neck because it's way too dark. And after I have it kind of spread on my face, I'm just gonna go in with my damp Real Techniques sponge and really press it in. I feel like it looks like I'm hitting my face so aggressively. Honestly, I feel like it does match my body. My neck is just so freaking pale, like, ugh. So far, it actually looks really good. It didn't cling to any dry patches. My pores could look better, but like I naturally have bigger pores, so literally no foundation makes them look really good. Other than that, honestly, the finish looks really good. Yeah. So I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm using the shade Light Ivory. And I'm just gonna use this to highlight my face. Honestly, this applicator is kind of annoying. Oh, that was a lot. Now I'm just using the same Real Techniques sponge to buff out this concealer. I hope this powder works out. So I picked up this powder from Makeup Revolution, and I picked up two shades. I got the white, it's called Ghost, and then the one is Luxury Baking Powder, and it's called Lace. I'm gonna go in with the Ghost one. So now I'm just gonna buff out the concealer so there's no creases, and then go right in with my damp beauty blender and dip it right into the powder. I'm gonna let that sit just for a little bit and then go ahead and dust it off with my Real Techniques stippling brush. So I feel like that kind of left like a white cast on my face, which I kind of expected. I'm just gonna go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with this and then kind of hope it tones down the color a little bit. I'm not even kidding, like my skin has not looked this good in a foundation and concealer in a while. Like I'm actually really surprised. I need some contour in my life. This is a Japanesque brush. It came in a set with a fan brush. What the frick? I'm just gonna try to start with the lightest one first. So I'm just gonna use this one right here. This is definitely like a nice cool tone contour color. It's actually really nice. Now I'm just gonna contour my jawline. And I literally always do this because I feel like I have a double chin and I like to cover it. All right, now I'm gonna do like a light nose contour. I usually always do that too. Honestly, I just really like the way it looks. Just gonna use the same contour shade, and then I'm using this e.l.f. contour brush. Now I'm gonna bronze my face, and I'm just gonna mix a couple bronzers. I have this Maybelline Trio, and I'm gonna use this bronzer shade. And then I also have this Milani one. It's their Soleil Baked Bronzer. This one's really pretty, but it's super shimmery, so I kind of like mixing them, and it gives you like a good happy medium between matte and shimmer. All right, so I literally just dip my brush into both, and then I'm just gonna go and put it in the same areas where I put my contour. I'm gonna go in with blush now. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Color Icon Ombre blush. And this is pretty shimmery, so I'm only gonna use a little, but I really do like the color. All right, now I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. Do I even have eyeshadow? So I'm just gonna go in and prime my eyelids using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer. I want to keep this eyeshadow look simple, so I'm going to go back in with the NYX contour kit, and I'm just going to use that same shade and run that through my crease. Kind of just gives it like a little shadow. And I'm just going to take that same color and run it on my lower lash line with the pencil brush. So NYX has a highlighter in their contour kit, but it's kind of weird, so I'm not going to use that one. I think I'm going to go back to that Maybelline palette and use that highlighter. It looks like this. I'm gonna put that on the inner corner of my eyes, use it to highlight my brow, and then I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I love highlight. I honestly feel like it really brings a makeup look together. Before I do anything else, I'm just gonna go in with this Makeup Revolution Sport Fix. It says it's extra hold makeup fixing spray, so we're gonna give that a try. I picked up 2 new pairs of falsies. They're both from Eylure. They're the Lush Silk. They both say Silk Effect. The one is Marquise and the one is Radiant. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go in with these ones. I think since the other ones have like a flare on the outside, those look better with a wing, and I am not drawing a wing right now. So I'm gonna go in with this NYX Jolie pencil liner. I'm gonna use it to tightline my top lash line. And this honestly just helps your falsies really blend seamlessly into your like natural lashes. And then after I tightline, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara, and I'm going in with the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. I really like the brush on this mascara, and I really like the color too. It's just always turns out super black. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to cut these. The band looks really long. Oh yeah. Your girl got small eyes, like really small. So I always have to cut like a lot off my lashes. Makes me sad. And I'm just gonna go back in with my Rimmel Lash Accelerator and do my bottom lashes. Save the lips for last. I'm gonna first line my lips with this LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner, and it's in the shade Keep It Spicy. That honestly went on really smoothly. Feels nice. It's super creamy, like it's not tugging at my lips at all. Alright, and then I think just to lighten it up a little bit, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline lipstick. It's in the shade 915 Blushing Beige. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and just my final like opinions on these. The Maybelline foundation, honestly, I really liked it. I would definitely use this again. The coverage is awesome, and I really like the finish of it as well. It's not too matte, but it's not dewy either. This is also my first time using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I really like it too. It doesn't seem like it's creasing. I mean, I would definitely recommend setting it, but like I would set any concealer. So I only use this colored powder. I forgot I had this one. I guess I'll use it another time, but so far I do like this one. I don't think it makes me look like I have a white cast anymore. I think it kind of like sunk into my skin a little bit, and it looks good now. And I think this like using a setting spray helps too. And the setting spray made the finish look really good too. Everything I used here, I really enjoyed. Quite surprised because that usually never happens. But I really enjoyed filming this. I really love first impressions. I love trying new makeup, especially drugstore. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh my god, I literally have so much lipstick on my teeth right now.